The right handle half is one of two housings that make up your saw's rear handle. The rear handle houses the throttle trigger assembly and is the saw's rear grip. Most problems with the rear handle are the result of accidental damage. The handle can be cracked or broken if something falls on it, or if the saw is dropped. Replacing the right handle half is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the side cover, the bar, and the chain from the saw. You always want to make sure that you have the brake unlocked before removing the side cover. Now I can remove the top cover. Now remove the starter assembly from the saw. Now remove the front and rear handle assembly. It's held to the saw with 3 screws. Now I just give the engine a little twist. And slide it out of the handles. Now remove the front handle from the rear handle. There's a number of pieces that will need to transfer from the old handle over to the new handle. And I'll start with this front isolator mount. You'll notice that the isolator mount is rectangular. You want the tall side of the rectangle up and down. Next, this metal pin. And last, these 2 rubber isolators. Now I'll reinstall the front handle to the rear handle. Now I'll reinstall the engine assembly back into the handle assembly. Now reinstall the starter assembly. Now reinstall the top cover. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. And that's all it takes to install a new top handle on your chainsaw.